Hey guys, it's Sup.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we're the hosts of Sup.
Yes.
Today we're making Limber De Coco from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. And that is basically an icy treat made from coconut.
It's perfect time for that right now in the summer. It's very hot out.
They have so many different kinds of limbers like mango, peach, orange, and many more.
Let's get started.
Let's do it.
First, you're going to put in one 15-ounce can of coconut cream.
This is really good stuff.
Now add one 13-ounce can of coconut milk. And next we're going to add 1 cup of milk.
And also 1 cup of water.
And then a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And now all you have to do is mix it for about 1 minute.
Well, we had this in the freezer overnight. Now let's try it.
Sammy, did you know what these are named after?
No, I didn't.
They're named after Charles A. Lindbergh, who came to Puerto Rico on February 4th, 1928.
That's very explanatory. But also, did you know that Charles A. Lindbergh was the first pilot ever to fly over the Atlantic Ocean?
Yes, and they gave him frozen fruit juice, and when they really liked it, they decided to make more and name them after him.
All right, now let's try.
Very good, perfect for summer because they're really nice and cold.
Very coconutty. It tastes like a coconut popsicle, basically. And speaking of popsicles, you can put them in popsicle molds. It's really good. It's also very good with mango.
For more recipes like this, make sure you go to our website, supkidscooking.com, our YouTube channel, Sup Kids Cooking, and buy our book, Snackcation, on Amazon.
With all these recipes and more.
Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Bye. Dig it.